now I guess we are ready for going for the live demo. So I'm not going to talk about how to log in and all. I guess all of us know that much. So we are here on the login page. This is my page, as I discussed with you people, that first is home. This is your home page. Whatever is trending in science will be visible to you here on at that time will be visible to you here. As I discussed curriculum, your all curriculum for all the subjects. I'm going to pick just this right now, just as discussed. I've shown you all the things on a video based on how internet works. Okay. Okay, so you can see video by subject, video by grade here will be visible. So I'm going to just show, I'm going to go to middle school, and because we had one question by one of our PE teacher in our group, so I'm going to show that also, that you can see physical education and health also. There are videos available, and when you talk about physical education, you can see these are all the games for which video is available. You can have your own video also. You can upload it as discussed, and same way for senior secondary also. And now some of you may feel that you are a college teacher and कोई भी content नहीं है college level का, no problem, YouTube पे everything is there. You can just take it on your screen. So this, as I told you, is my school's page. Whoever has done work from my school, everything is visible here. And now coming up to my content. So these are all the contents which is created by me, which either I have downloaded directly, uploaded directly on Edpuzzle, or I have taken it from YouTube. So as discussed, so now let's talk about adding a content. I'm not going to add actually base here, but I'm going to show you. So you need to add content. What you can do is you can upload a video. If you have your own video, you can upload that also, or going back, content. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a popular video from YouTube. So as I discussed, you can type anything which you want here. You get a video. Now somebody has asked in the chat box about how to take video from YouTube. So I'm going to go to the YouTube channel. So as we know that YouTube is famous, so everyone is creating YouTube. So I have also done that, like go with the flow. So this is my YouTube channel, little bit you can observe. So this is my video. So let's say I'll pick a video which is, this is creative teaching aid. I'm taking this video purposely because I'm going to go live with this only. So I'll just copy this link here. I hope that's visible. I've copied the link from here, Control C, went to Edpuzzle. You can see Edpuzzle is visible, hopefully. Yeah, so I'll just paste it here. The moment I'm pasting it here, you can see this option is visible. The video which is there is all visible. Now somebody has asked how to cut. So in this video, I can do is I can just take it like this. Okay. Based on the internet speed, it will work. Okay. So this person has to not use the this just like what he has to do is whatever this, right? And if you want to do editing in between, so let's say if you don't want any this is usually I'm going to ask to just answer all the question later on. So what you can do is after doing this, you can also add a cut here. So based on internet speed, it will work. Okay. So you can see based on your internet speed, obviously it will work. So now what you can do is okay, as it's taking time to load, so you can do cuts. You can add cut in between also if you want. So you can see these are all, this section you don't want. So this was around a 3.5 minute video. I have done the editing now. I took a small part. Now this was again a video which is my own video, but I picked it from YouTube. If you would have uploaded it, you would have got option of voiceover, but because I took the link from YouTube, it becomes a YouTube's content, although it's your content, but it's a YouTube's property, and now you can't add voiceover based on that, and you can add questions. So in this video only, the 3 minute video I have taken, I made it 1 minute video, and I'm going to show it to you how it works. So going back, so this was about editing part. Now we are going to go live now. I hope you guys are ready. So you can see just now I took it up a 1:14:51 second. This video 0.09 second, 1.59 seconds. You can make it as much as you want. So these are some of the content which I have created already. So this the video which I have shown you on my PPT, 9 minutes 13 seconds. Now what we will be doing on the my classes page. If you'll go here, you get these options. What I have done is I have created a demo class for the webinar purpose. I hope I'm audible. Am I audible,
Yes, you
Radhika?
are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Okay, great, great. I thought I'm not there. So I have created a demo class for the webinar purpose only. The moment you click on demo, that's my class. If you can see, the video which is there is already available. Now this video is ready for going live. So this was the video which I have created for all the participants. So and I have answered also on the 16th August, 4 hours ago. Today only I have tried also. So are we all ready to go live? I'm going to show this video to you people live, and you will have to answer the question visible to you, right? So I'm going to go live. Okay, go live. So what you need to do, all of you, just type this in your browser. If you have a mobile phone, Alexei, then that would be great, because you will need this device to look at the video, and for answering you need a device. So what I can do is I can also copy this link and paste it in the chat box. Hopefully it get pasted. Okay. Yeah, the link is also in the chat box. So if you can just click on that link, and you can see I'm waiting here to go live. And if I'll see anyone logged in, then I can begin. Okay, awesome. We have Miss Aparna Joshi who's there already. Awesome. So it is working fine. Great. So if we could have maybe three more people, if you are ready to log in, it's just 150 seconds video only, just to give you a feel about how it goes. Miss Dipali is there. Someone with name G is also there. Awesome. Okay, if you can't copy, then you can type it in the browser. Awesome. I can see there are so many people who have joined in. Okay, if you are not able to copy, please type this in the browser. I guess that will not take much of your time. Please type this in the browser, and I can see so many people are live right now. So I guess we are going to go in. Okay, time is already over, but I'm going to take 5 extra minutes, and let's see. Great. So I'm going to start now. All those who are there, let's see. Okay, so you will get some option of the video is yet to start. Are you there? Are you getting that option? I'm going to need some feedback from you. Okay, great. You can show me thumbs up if you are getting the option. Should I start now? Okay. Can someone just respond? Thumbs up, like something like that. Great. Aarti Miss is responding. Great. So I'm going to begin. Do let me know if you're able to hear the sound. This is my video, a teaching aid which I have created. I got some sort of prize and all those things. So let's begin. Hopefully it plays. Yeah, like, is the sound audible to all of you? Because I'm playing live on Zoom right now. So I guess sound is audible. Even if it is not audible, you will get a question on screen. Voice is cracking. That will happen because the video is like that only. It's a live event video. Yeah. So let's see. This is a real region. This is a virtual region. As in we can't touch. So person who is standing here, I will give that person a tag as. So all those who are there, I guess out of 24, 16 people are there. This is a note. So I have added one part of all the things. So it's a teaching aid. This is what is visible. So I can see 16 people have answered. I'm not going to wait for others to answer. So the moment you click on this, we can have a debate on it, why it is correct, why it is not, or else we can just move ahead. Tag as person who's here, I'll give a tag as image. So this person has to not use it. He has to just, what he has to do is whatever this person is doing, you have to just replicate the same as. So I'll tell this person you have a full freedom that you can dance. So if this person dances, you have agreed to take a tag of image. What do you do? Okay, so I don't know whether you heard or not. It says that there's a transparent sheet, and if someone has taken option of being image, If object dances, image also has to dance. So you need to answer this. Okay, even if the audio is not audible, no problem. This is just a demo session, you can answer. So I can see people have started answering. So was the question based, was the concept related to maths, dance or physics? Ma'am, if you have not joined in previously, then I can't help right now. 27 people have answered, 18, very good. Sorry, 18 out of 26 have answered, great. So I'm going to continue now. I'm not going to wait because we are out of time. So the moment we move ahead, you can see how many people have given what answer. We can also see that also. So you can see 84%. I'm not getting name of who has given wrong, what who has given right answer. You can see 84% people have given answer that the concept was based on physics. 21% says it was based on dance because there was some mention of dance, and 5% says maths. So this is how student can also respond, and based on that you can discuss. This is just a demo. Okay. So going ahead, next part. You have to dance.
You have to dance. So
You have agreed to take the time. You are in
the opposite. So then what
No,
happens?
no, I'm just talking about object and image. So if this and now you have open-ended question. For your information, for video you have to look at my screen only. You will not be able to look at the mobile phone or your device will only have question and options. You will not have video on your device. Video has to be looked on to Zoom device only, the one which I am showing you right now. So I can see 4 people have answered right now. Was it mirror musty? Yes, no. You will have to just answer yes, no. I've kept it very easy for you people right now. And yeah, so I've got 15 responses. I'm going to move ahead, and then you can see again how many people have answered yes, how many people have answered no. You can see all the answers available here because it was open-ended thing. And I guess with that we are done with every part of the video. It was 50 seconds, and then so if this person dances, what happened to you? You had to dance. That's why I've called this setup as mirror muscle. This was a small video to just show you. Now exit live mode, and the moment we exit, we can see how many of you have answered, how much you have answered, whether you've put your name or not. You can see 18 people have completed, and I could see, okay, nobody entered their name basically. I guess no names are there. Yeah, Surjit Kaur, Aisha, Pavan, Masumi, Punita. All these people have responded. Whether they have completed or not, we can just check. Obviously, I have not given time to everyone. So you could see Dimple, Vinita, Aparna Joshi. These people have completed their work because they were quick with the responses. So this is how your grades are visible. So let's say if I'll pick one student's response, 100% response, and you can see what are the answers given by the student, and everything is visible to you. And this way you can just work with the student. And I guess this was all about Edpuzzle. So you can put your questions in the chat box. I'm going to pick the question and I'm going to start answering the question. Yeah, having a internet, stable internet is very important in this part. Ideally, it is supposed to be with something which is uh, give you a very good connectivity. If you have connectivity issue, then you may not experience the best. Then in that case, you can just assign it to the student, and whenever student have proper connection, that time you can do. Going live, definitely you need proper net connection. Can we use available videos for free? Yes, you can use all the videos which are available on Edpuzzle for free. If somebody has asked question, can we download the video? You cannot download. You will have to use Edpuzzle app only, Edpuzzle's site only for showing the video. You can use it for free. Yes. Can we save before we delete on our computer? No. You cannot save right now. That option is not available. You can have 20 videos. You can utilize it as much for as many months or years as you want, but you cannot download the videos. How to create class? I guess I've given that answer in the PPT also and live also. Saving video, is it possible? As I told you, saving on your page, Edpuzzle page is possible, but if you want to download the edited version, you cannot do that. Okay, what is the difference between these videos and one on YouTube? The one on YouTube, you are picking those videos only and you are putting your own question, you're putting your own voice to make it a little more interactive as compared to just showing them the video. So If you're just showing the video, it may happen that they may see and they may not pay attention. If there are question in between, they will have to look at the video, observe and answer the question, and you will understand. How can we make a video? I guess I have given that answer, which are easily available on YouTube. Okay, as I told you, videos are available on YouTube. We are picking from the popular channels and making our own videos. So we are making the videos our lessons. So just one video of 10 minute you can convert into your lesson, because there are questions to be discussed in between also. How can you download the video? I guess I have told you you can't. How to create class, I have answered that. Can we convert PPT into video? Not on this, but yes, you can convert your own PPT into video, and then on some other tools, and then you can use that video here. You cannot convert PPT into video on this. You need to have a video ready. Edit, I guess I have answered. Can you add 2 to 3 videos together? Right now the option is only one video at one time. Editing can only happen in one video. You cannot do 2 to 3 as per my information. Can you please tell again how to copy YouTube video? Go to browser, link, you can just copy and paste it. Will our content be visible to our student? I guess we have seen the example how your content can be visible if you're going live. Otherwise, I've shown you video also how it will appear on students interface. We copy the link from YouTube, but where to paste? The popular channel, YouTube or popular channel, there will be a search bar. Just paste it there and the video will be visible. How to paste? Control C, Control V, or you click on you right click on mouse, you have option of paste. Can we edit our PPT? Here, as I told you, it's a very video editing tool, so video only you can do. How to cut the video at various point, I guess I've shown you. Please explain MCQ part again. I guess I have explained, but you can explore more. How can we take subjective test and do the correction? Subjective test you cannot do. For that we have either Google Forms, or you can use exam.net. We will be having session for that later on, but this is just for making your lessons, not for the purpose of creating subjective test. Exams के लिए नहीं है. This is to understand the concept better. Sir, again, anyone can join if the class is open, I guess. Yes, that's totally up to you. If class is open, whomsoever has the link can join for sure. But if you want to make it to classic mode to your student with the login ID, definitely you can also attach it with your Google Class. You can do it with your LMS system also. Totally up to you. I guess, yeah, I guess I've answered all the question. If the link is passed to others, will they get reflected in our class? I guess I've shown it to you how it will be visible. That's it from my end. I hope it was helpful, the session. Yeah. We add the link to Padlet. Yes, you can totally add the link to Padlet, but how it work, I have not tried it out. Link, you can take it and put it anywhere, but that's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. If at all you have my mobile number, please do give me your feedback to me on my mobile number. Thank you and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.